What's going on, everyone? If you're new, I'm Scrap1240. We here today with another episode of Chainsaw Man. We at episode 5, and the $1,000,000 question that we all is waiting for. Did he do it? We're about to find out now. So let's head over to the episode right away. Roll it. Oh, it started off there. Oh, so he hasn't done it yet. The moment we were all waiting for. Is he really gonna do it? He actually went for it. Wow. Oh shit. She, wow. Now it's 2 left, y'all. I don't think he wants to do it anymore.
いろいろ言いたいことあるけど。
But what do you want to say? What are you thinking, buddy? Are you happy? Are you excited?
こんなもん。
That's it? Yeah, buddy. She said 3 and 3 only. You got your opportunity. You didn't enjoy it as you supposed to. But I didn't really think he was going to do it, y'all. Honestly and truthfully, I didn't really think they was going to go through with that. But apparently, they did. So, I don't even think he enjoyed that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So he didn't sleep at all. What's wrong with him? Is he like so happy that he's like not here anymore? She's like, what's going on with him? Right, something is bothering him.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことなくて。
Oh, he was disappointed.
追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。そんなのクソじゃん。
Dang, he's so disappointed.
デンジ君は何の話をしているの?
Well, I don't think you want to know that question.
胸を揉んでみたら大したことなかったって話です。
Wow, he's very honest.
デンジ君、エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
Oh shit.
相手の心を理解するのは難しいことだから。
Is she fucking with him?
指の長さはどれくらい？冷たい？耳の形は？
Holy shit. What are we watching, y'all?
指を噛まれたことはある？覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても私の噛む力で。
What the fuck are we watching, y'all?
覚えて。
覚えました。
He went for it. Oh, she wow! What happened? What is going on? I'm so lost.
デンジ君、お願いがあるんだけど。
はい。
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔。
The gun devil.
私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。
So she believed that he can kill it. Okay.
もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶え。
Oh shit.
デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺したら、マキマさんが願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？
That's exactly what she's saying.
何でもって例えば。
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
Said anything. So she just made a deal with him. If he beats the gun devil, she will grant any wish he wants. He was like, including, and she cut him off. She said anything. So you already know Denji already touched his first boob, touched his second boob, and now he gets to wish whatever he wants. That dude's gonna go insane. He's gonna kill that gun devil like this to come back to do whatever he want to do. You feel me? And she says he's strong and that she thinks Denji could win.
俺は一人で遊べるんだ。バカ、やめろって言ってるだろ。
Is something going to happen here? Oh, I figured something's going to happen.
5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
1.2 million people was killed in under 5 minutes. Now she wants our boy to go kill the gun devil and grant any wish.
デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
まあなんていうか、俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫でしょ。
10の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。
どうやってそいつは見つけるんです？
これは集めた10の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し
Oh, they collect a couple of items. She gonna make him eat it?
だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば
悪魔は全部殺す。その先に。
Right. He's trying to find them because, you know, it wiped out everyone.
ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。
Oh,
ホテルの宿泊。
are we gonna see him in this episode? Or where's gonna be in the next episode? Because the way this episode is turning out to be, I don't even know.
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。
Okay, so it's hiding in there.
ただの悪魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。
怖っ、何があったの？アキくん、厳しくしてばっかじゃかわいそうだよ。
Alright, so enough with the talking and let's get in the hotel and let's find this devil. And let's whip this devil ass so we can see what he's going to ask her and what she's going to grant. You feel me?
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょ？ねえ。
Oh no. He's having the best day of his life. Look. He's remembering.
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
じゃあ、デンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Oh shit. He's getting two. He's like a fiend right now.
俺は半年間姫野先輩に鍛えられ世話になった。
He's jealous. This is so much fillers right now, and then we're gonna get like 2 minutes of action at the very end.
しかしよ、悪魔なんてどこにもいねえじゃねえか。
So I don't even think we're gonna be able to fight the gun devil. Honestly and truthfully, I don't think we're gonna fight it this episode. I think we're gonna get to it, and then that's gonna end.
アキくん、来る。
Incoming. Maybe I'm lying. What the fuck? Oh. Power went straight for him.
銃野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつ。
Oh no, that's not the gun devil. Okay, that's just a regular devil.
それに切り札は隠してるからオッケーオッケー。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
ぶ
Oh shit.
悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
Damn.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
いつかそのうち食ってやる。
俺とキスすんだから食
So you better not. I'm trying to get a kiss.
う。静かに。
Oh shit, what just happened there?
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を上りましたよね。ここも8階ですよ。
見間違いじゃねえな。
違う。何かがおかしい。確認して。
That is true. They did came up the 8th floor and then they back on the 8th floor.
俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Oh, I seen something like that. And like I said, we're not even gonna get to see the gun devil in action. This is what I mean about this episode. Honestly, this episode shouldn't even be in the episode. Shouldn't even be published or be out. It wasn't nothing. It was just a filler. That's pretty much what it was. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking that. Especially now, you know. I expected that 20 years ago when Dragon Ball first came out. They had so many of this, but we didn't know that. We were just so excited to see something. But as years went on and all these new animes coming out, they get straight to the point to now do this. It's like, come on. Can y'all agree with me? Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. You feel me? I don't even know what else to say or what else to even talk about. What information we got in this episode besides the fact that he going to get 2 girls. One to kiss and one to do whatever he wants to do. And he touched Power's boob. And the other one as well. That's it. What else did we get? A couple of flashbacks explaining, you know, how strong is Gun Devil, you know, some of the kids when they was a kid, you know, stuff like that. But this episode was just a filler episode. It was just to throw stuff out there. I guess they wasn't ready, and I was like, you know what? Let's just put something together here. If it's going to continue to be like that, I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that. It's my opinion. It's how I feel about it, and hope you guys can agree. But if you could change my mind, comment down below. So, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe now. Later.